howling. I'm on just outside of a place called Ingleton. We're doing the last of the 3 peaks, Ingleborough, today. Parked just here, got up nice and early, parked in a great spot, and Karen's in there cooking breakfast. Absolutely love Yorkshire, the Dales. Oh my god, I want to live here. So we're staying at the same place as last time as well, the farm in Malham. She wasn't letting any campers in, but just hit it off with them last time we were there. So they've given us one of the parking bays, which is loads of room either side as well, nothing there, just fields full of campers, like tents, and we're in the little spot there, park the van up. Got up nice and early this morning, got along here, it's about 26 mile away from here. But, oh, just sharing this view with you. Wow. Looking forward to getting this last peak done, that's for sure. And then it's Scafell Pike, a few weeks time. And that's all the biggies done in England. Right, there's Ingleborough up there. So we've got a nice track for a bit, and then it goes up and up and up and up and up, and you can see, oh damn me, all the way going up that bit there. See it?
On the top though.
Oh well, we'll start there. So not too bad. Beautiful though. And not too busy just yet as well, still about 10:10. So we'll see how we'll get to it. There's a view. This is absolutely to die for. I probably will. Just seen the buzzard getting attacked by 2 crows there. It was a very good fight, a good few minutes. Buzzard loses. Going to the write up about this. That could be Wormside or Whernside. That's the highest one that we're done. The last bank holiday, which was the beginning of this month. Nowhere near as tough as this one. Although this isn't a killer yet, but it's going to be in about 15 minutes. Love it. Nearly there. This last bit is steep as hell, but it's steps. So, nearly there. No words. Just a dirty phone call, heavy breathing. Alright, so I've got up that steep bit in there. Smile though. It began with B when she's seen the top. And I just heard another profanity when she spotted that bit. It's got to be the last bit now. It's a bit of a scramble, but it's not been too bad, the scramble. Let's have a... Okay. That's why you do it. Ooh, tough as hell, isn't it?
I'll do the same.
Alright. Okay. That Ben, I know. How brave was he? Super fit, wasn't he? I've done it. Oh yes. Hallelujah.
Bye.
Hallelujah. Yeah, it's good. Oh, just had a little, took my socks and shoes off and dipped my feet in there. It was clear, not anymore. And then that family that's just walked past with the kids were drinking out of it, so I let them know that I cleaned it between my toes.
That was disgusting.
I nearly barfed. I said, you're drinking there, I just washed my feet there and I cleaned in between my toes as well. She said, eh. Shouldn't be letting them drink that, mind. That's mad, isn't it?
Yeah, it's so different.